My dear brothers and sisters, I'm sure you all believe in the following maxim or saying, a good news when shared gets doubled. A bad news when shared gets halved. This is what are the echoes of today's gospel passage. Yesterday, we reflected on the Annunciation, where Mary is told or requested, so to say, of God to be the mother of his son. She also told about her cousin Elizabeth, who is in the old age, whom people despised, hated, spoke all things about her because she had no children. And then the angel told her, your own cousin Elizabeth in the old age has also conceived and now is in the 6th month. You can imagine the joy of Mary when she heard this. But the joy was expressed in deeds. First of all, she goes hurriedly to visit her. There are two reasons why she does this. The first is she wants to express her own joy that God has in a way had mercy on her and chose her to be the mother of the Savior. She wants to share this joy with her own cousin Elizabeth. This is what we normally do. Yesterday evening I was at a function in Pilar, and there were a number of people who got awards. You can imagine those young people and not so young people who got awards for various things, how happy they were and how they shared in a way, expressed their joy when they are told to say a few words to the audience. So we normally do that when we have good news. Whatever the good news is, we go and tell somebody, and you can imagine how joy in a way doubles up, triples up, because we have shared something which is very pleasant. We also share something sometimes which is unpleasant to others. When we are sad, when we are disappointed, when someone has hurt us, someone is dejected, we want to share someone very close to us. Maybe husband to wife, wife to husband, or friends. And we feel light because somebody, like I have told somebody what was hurting me, so killing it means from within, I share with somebody and I feel light. This is what normally we do in life. So this is what we see in Mary. She goes and shares her joy with her cousin Elizabeth, and both are extremely happy. The second reason why she goes there is to assist her cousin, who in her old age might receive some help. Though she may not be at all unexperienced in childbearing and so-called caring for, in that age. But yet she says, let me go and be with her for some time and see what I can do to help her in time of her own pregnancy. When did you last do this? When did we last share our joys? And what was our experience? When we last share our so-called our sorrows, and what was our experience? Maybe at this time of Christmas, as we prepare ourselves for the feast of the great event in that way brought total change in the world, can we share something with us, with others, so that we can double their joy? They may be in sadness, they may be in need. Maybe you can go out to help somebody in some way or other so that not only our Christmas, but even theirs may be in a way that is helpful for them to come out of their own sorrows and weaknesses.